Hyundai and Kia are recalling nearly 92,000 newer SUVs and sedans because they are at risk of catching fire. Until dealers can perform a free fix, drivers should park outside and away from structures, the automakers say. The recalled vehicles include several popular new models, including 2023 to 2024 Hyundai Palisade SUVs, 2023 Hyundai Tucson SUVs, 2023 Hyundai Sonata sedans, 2023 Hyundai Elantra sedans, 2023 Hyundai Kona SUVs, 2023 Kia Soul hatchbacks, 2023 Kia Sportage SUVs, 2023 to 2024 Kia Seltos SUVs. The problem is due to a manufacturing defect involving a transmission oil pump. If this part short-circuits, drivers may notice smoke coming from underneath the vehicle, smell a burning or melting odor, be unable to turn the engine off, or see the check engine or other warning lights illuminated on the dashboard.